morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to fix finally my RPM. As you can see, it's not working and it's been a while, so I bought a new one, the new something like half digital. You can choose the colors and stuff, the newer version of this from Harley Davidson. And I'm going to a friend of mine who is specialist in this kind of job here in Lebanon. He's gonna help me to install it, because when I bought it they asked me about like the serial number of the bike, the VIN number, and how many kilometers and these kind of stuff. I bought it from Canada and bring it with me here to Lebanon. So when I tried to connect it to the bike myself, it gives me, sometimes it gives wrong VIN, sometimes it gives no connection, and sometimes like it starts loading, but as it's like backing up, syncing the bike with the odometer, but it doesn't work. It's not working with me. So he's a specialist. Hope he can fix this, because I don't want to take it back with me to Canada to replace it or to see the problem, and it's difficult to connect with them here. And like Harley Davidson in Lebanon, I don't have the best experience with it. So pray for me, it works. I will keep you updated.